don't believe it's been slitting my throat so